Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today I have a very special video. As I said in my AliExpress haul, I want to do a beauty room makeover. So this is what we're going to do in today's video. DIY project, because a bitch knows how to put things by herself. Actually, I filmed that video yesterday and I struggled big time. You know why? Because the bitch wasn't prepared. I wasn't ready. I didn't have everything I needed. I didn't pay attention, but you will see that in the video. It was so much fun. It was so hot in this room. I was sweating my tatas out, so yeah, you'll see that. Anyhow, I'm currently filming this intro and cooking a little fake tan. Look at my Crocs, they are so comfy. That's why I'm wearing this oversized t-shirt, so don't mind the patchiness. And if this is a little bit shaky, I'm so sorry for that. I'm just holding my phone with a tripod because I don't want to cover my mic with my hands, so I want you to be able to hear me. Okay, also the lighting is not on point here because I'm filming this facing my vanity. Anyway, if you guys want to see how we got from this to, drumroll please, to this, then keep on watching, I guess.
Alright, so I started with very good intentions. I even showed you guys my cutter, and then I started to kind of measure to see how that goes. I got tired pretty fast, as we see here. But then I was ready, and then this happened.
Hey, what happened?
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Guys, I failed big time because this wallpaper is not self-sticking. I need primer and glue. I am pretty sure I saw self-sticking, adhesive, whatever, blah blah blah. I'm so pissed right now. It's so boiling hot in here. So, since I don't have any primer, any glue, that I'm supposed to do now?
One eternity later.
You guys, I found this spray control adhesive. I guess I'm going to try it. It doesn't say that you can use it on wallpaper, but you can use it on wood, plastic. Let's try it. Oh well, at this point I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. But isn't that so much fun? Stepping out your comfort zone and trying new things. Cause same, overall I had fun.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I got that on the ceiling. God damn it. Oh my goodness.
As I was saying, I had so much fun.
Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could have been the dumb love too soon.
Okay, camera. What?
Says what's happened, I've been locked up. Hit me with the starstruck. Do it again.
Overall, the entire process of sticking the wallpaper on my walls, it was pretty easy, even though that glue was messy and it kinda got everywhere. I feel like I kinda nailed it. I definitely recommend you to buy this self-adhesive wallpaper. It will save you so much time, so please pay attention if you purchase from AliExpress, because you see what happens if you don't pay attention. I will never ever again buy this type of wallpaper, so that's that. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and just wait for it. So I run out of glue. This is empty. I still have to stick that part like down there. Anyway, let's continue. Because we are all friends here, I'm going to tell you a little secret. So I finished gluing that wallpaper on my walls with freaking Lush glue. I really hope that will stay. So then I took some double-side tape and I put my butterflies again on the wall and I cleaned the space, and the rest is history.
You could break a heart today, give me a heart attack. The radiation fills my lungs. The earth when I was young. Been too long, too long. So let go of control. Static stars are glowing. Said that it was last I know. Systemic from the start. And no worries, I'm golden. Feel from the heart. I know. Was sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could have been the dumb luck. Too soon to say. Hey, says what's happened. I've been locked.
Are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Here we go. Okay. Hello, little Buddha. Hello, gorgeous. Honestly, I think this is such a vibe, but something is not sitting right for me, cause first of all, I didn't have enough paper. I didn't have enough glue to stick this part right here, but you don't know that. Then we have the silver part that it comes with the lights. I don't like that because it doesn't go with the gold, okay? That little thing is not going with the flow, so it needs to go. I need to buy something beige with gold maybe, or something white, not definitely not orange.
Or maybe some gold curtains. That will work. Oh wow, look at these. They are so beautiful. They look so expensive. Yes, honey, serving. I found this picture on AliExpress and I really hope they look like that. Or maybe some black ones. I don't know.
Overall, I do really like the vibe, and I guess that's it for this grand reveal. Let me know, please. Let me know, what do you guys think? Alright, you guys, so I guess that's it for my DIY project. I still need to buy more little trinkets to fill a little bit more of this area, because I feel like it's a little bit too minimalistic. Okay, this is what you'll see from now on in my videos. I honestly kind of like it, but I'm not completely happy with how this turned out. That little sticker is not in the center anymore. I mean, it wasn't in the center from the beginning. I need to move a little bit the vanity, but then I won't have this in the center because I don't have enough space in that area for my this is so complicated. Anyway, I kept my books and my candles and also my crystals. I want my crystals here in my room. This is my sanctuary, I guess, so I want them to be here because they give me good vibes and I love them so much. I don't want to flash you guys because I'm not wearing any pants. As I said, I am currently cooking a fake tan, so I want to get a big vase in that corner with some very large pampas. I don't recommend you to buy this wallpaper. Go find something else, something more easier to do it yourself if you want to do it yourself. So that's that. I do like it though, but something is missing. Please let me know down below what you think is missing from this. I want to hear your opinions. You know, like if you feel like you have some advices, please let them down below. I'm more than happy to read them. So I guess that's it. This camera is shooting on me non-stop and I hate it. So yeah guys, this was my beauty room DIY makeover. And if you guys are interested to see the bedroom DIY project, because we have another DIY project, you know, I have big plans. Okay, I have big plans and I feel like I won't be failing on that one. I mean, I can't fail again. I already have some experience from this DIY project, so I can't fail again. Anyway, if you guys want to see that, that will have to wait a little bit because we actually have to paint the wall. So my boyfriend, he doesn't want me to do that by myself. I don't know why. I don't know why he doesn't let me to paint the wall, like, and I'm pretty sure he knows why. Anyway, no shade to me, I guess, because I'm a strong, independent woman. I know what I'm doing. I'm just kidding, you guys. So yeah, he wants to paint the wall. So that project will have to wait just a tiny little bit more. Until then, I will have other videos to film for you guys. And I guess that's it. I feel like I'm talking way too much, and I really hope this video is not too long. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know down below if you guys have any ideas, any suggestions. Please let them down below. I want to read your opinions. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. And if you guys are interested to see the DIY bedroom makeover, I feel like, I mean, thank you so much for your attention. Do I have buggers? No, thanks God. I kind of want to buy more. Oh, you can see my, oh, so sexy. Alrighty, you guys, so I present you my cat. Hi, I'm Luna. Yeah.